Forget Grok AI. This AI creates free videos, does perfect lip sync, and honestly, it might be even better. Watch this.
Hello guys, I finished my homework early today.
Leo is right. I'm really proud of him.
And all, this video wasn't made with Grok.
And that is also right.
Ever since Grok AI went behind a paywall, a lot of creators have been stuck, running out of credits, or just unable to keep creating consistently. And if you're trying to make AI videos daily, that's a huge problem. But in this video, I'm going to show you a powerful alternative that lets you create stunning AI videos, generate realistic lip sync conversations, and keep creating without worrying about limits. Plus, there's one small trick most people don't know about, and if you miss it, your videos will glitch, repeat dialogue, and completely ruin your results. I'll show you exactly how to fix that. Let's dive in. Welcome. Open your browser and search for Qwen AI. This is the tool we are going to use to generate hyper-realistic AI lip sync videos as an alternative to Grok AI. I'll go ahead and click on the first search result. Once you arrive on the home page, you will realize that it has features like image edit, thinking, search, web development, artifacts, deep research, image generation, and of course, video generation, which is exactly what we are going to use. So I'll go ahead and click on video generation. Once it opens, you will see a very simple interface like this. Before I show you how to create hyper-realistic lip-sync dialogue videos with this amazing AI tool, let's first start with a simple prompt. Just like the prompts you would give to Grok AI to get an outstanding output, let's try something similar here. I'll go ahead and paste my prompt here. The prompt I am inserting is a dragon flying around the beachside spitting fire, exactly like that. You can select your aspect ratio here, but I will leave it at 16:9 and hit send. The video will start generating right here, and it takes approximately 2 minutes to finish. Let's give it a moment and see how it turns out. The dragon video is done. Let's go ahead and play it to see how it turned out.
Burn, burn, tree.
Wow. Okay, so that looks great. Now, let's try another prompt and see how it turns out before we move on to the main focus of this video. I will input my second prompt right here. It reads, an epic wide-angle shot from behind a lone Viking warrior standing atop a sheer, wind-swept cliff. This is basically the prompt that I am giving to the AI. I'll go ahead and hit send. Now the video we prompted is done, but there is obviously an error which I want to talk about here. Let's play it to see what happened. The reason why the dragon is still appearing in this new video is because I am still generating within the same chat project. That is why this artifact is happening. What I highly recommend doing is anytime you are done creating a video, simply go back and open a new project tab for a fresh video. Let me go ahead and create the same Viking video in a new tab, and you will notice that the dragon will not be featured this time. This is a very important detail to keep in mind, otherwise you might run into issues. This actually happened to me when I was generating lip syncs. When I did the first lip sync scene and then immediately tried to do the second one in the same tab, the characters would start saying the first dialogue again before saying the new one, which I didn't want. That is exactly what caused the error previously. The video I generated in the new tab is now done. Let's check it out.
För framtåt himlen bränner samman.
As you can see, the dragon wasn't featured this time. Now, let's move on to the lip syncing part. For this, I will return to the dashboard and open a new tab for a fresh start. I don't want any interruptions, and I definitely don't want the Viking warrior showing up in the next video. So I'll open a fresh tab just like this. To generate videos and lip sync with this tool, you will need a base image. You can use any image you like, or you can write a story and generate custom images for it. I initially asked ChatGPT to generate an image for me. It gave me a decent result, but I didn't entirely love it. So I copied the prompt and pasted it into Flow by Google to generate the image using Nano Banana 2 instead. That gave me this specific image, which is what we are going to use for the lip sync. This is also the video you watched in the intro. I'll come back to Qwen AI and upload that image right here. Perfect. With the image successfully uploaded, I now need to head back to ChatGPT to get a prompt for it. I uploaded the generated image there and asked ChatGPT to give me a prompt to animate it with a dialogue lip sync. It provided this highly detailed and vivid prompt. Looking at the dialogue section, you can see that you can prompt it however you want. You can customize exactly what you want the boy to say, and you can type exactly what you want the teacher to say in response. I'll go ahead and copy this prompt, return to Qwen AI, and paste it into the prompt box. Just as I stated before, make sure the text precisely matches the dialogue you want each character to speak respectively. I will leave everything exactly as it is and hit Generate. It will start processing, and we just have to give it about 2 minutes to complete. The video is now done. Let's go ahead, play it, and see how it turned out.
Miss, I finished my homework early today.
That's amazing, Leo. I'm really proud of you.
There is another important technique I want to take you through. For this, I am going to use my second image, which features a father and daughter. Let's say you want a back-and-forth conversation to flow naturally. How do you do it without messing up the sequence? I'll go ahead and open a new tab to create a fresh project. Once it loads, I will upload the second image right here. I had already asked ChatGPT to give me the prompt to animate this scene, which you can see right here. Now, the maximum duration for each video generation on Qwen AI is up to 5 seconds. If I were to input the entire dialogue at once, some parts would be cut off. To prevent this, I will generate the first set of dialogue, and afterward, I will generate the second part. I'll copy the entire prompt, bring it back to Qwen AI, and as I mentioned, I will delete the later lines of dialogue for now. This leaves us with just the first interaction. Dad, can I tell you something amazing I learned today? And the dad responding, Of course, sweetheart, I'm listening. Then I'll hit send. The video is done. Let's watch it together.
Dad, can I tell you something amazing I learned today?
Of course, sweetheart, I'm listening.
Now that we have the first communication successfully generated, I will naturally go back and open a brand new tab. As I explained earlier, if I were to continue generating in this same tab, the characters might repeat their initial lines before moving on to the new text, mixing everything up and creating an incomplete clip. So the best practice is to start a new project. I'll upload the image again, paste the original prompt, but this time I will delete the first lines of dialogue that we already generated. I'll be left with just the continuation. I learned how to solve big problems step by step. And the father replying, That's incredible. You're getting smarter every day. It's as simple as that. I'll hit send. That is now generating, so let's give it a moment to see how it turns out. All right, that one is also done. Let's go ahead and play it.
I learned how to solve big problems step by step.
That's incredible. You're getting smarter every day.
Perfect. With both clips generated, you simply have to stitch them together in your video editing software. You can use CapCut or any other editor you prefer to make the conversation flow seamlessly. So guys, this is how to generate AI lip sync videos with Qwen AI. It is an incredible alternative to Grok AI. However, if you are strictly keen on using Grok AI and prefer the creative freedom it offers, I actually have a tutorial covering 2 methods on how to use Grok AI for free. Yes, you heard that right. I highly recommend you check it out. The link will be in the description below or up in the corner of this screen. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, please make sure to subscribe. Also, don't forget to give this video a like to boost it in the algorithm so more content creators like you can find it. I'll see you in the next one.